Your TCL TV isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, and you need it fixed fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve that, covering every method from quick resets to network settings and deeper fixes. Follow along step by step, and by the end, your TV should be reconnected and working like normal. Start by unplugging your TCL TV directly from the wall outlet. Don't just turn it off using the remote. This step only works if you remove the power cord completely. After unplugging it, wait for at least 60 seconds. Give it the full time so that any remaining power inside the TV fully drains. Once the time is up, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Then check if the Wi-Fi connects. Now unplug your Wi-Fi router from its power source. Just like with the TV, leave it unplugged for about 1 full minute. After that, plug it back in and wait until all the lights turn back on. This can take up to 2 minutes as the router goes through its startup process. Once the router is fully online, check your TV again to see if it connects to the internet. Many TCL TVs are set to enter standby mode, which doesn't fully restart the system. To do a proper restart, go to your TV's settings. From there, select System, then Power, and choose System Restart. This gives your TV a clean refresh, which can help fix network problems that standby mode won't solve. To find out if the problem is with your TV or your Wi-Fi, try connecting your TV to your mobile phone's hotspot. On an iPhone, you'll find this under Personal Hotspot. On Android, look for Hotspot or Tethering under Network and Internet. Once you turn on your phone's hotspot, try to connect your TV to it. If the TV connects and works with your phone's internet, then your home router is likely the issue. But if the TV still won't connect, then the problem is inside the TV. If the TV worked with your phone's hotspot, the next step is to check your Wi-Fi password. Try disconnecting another device from your Wi-Fi, then reconnect it using the same password your TV uses. This will confirm if the password is right. Next, check if MAC address filtering is turned on in your router settings. To do this, log into your router using the IP address written on the router itself, usually something like 192.168.1.1. After logging in, go to the advanced settings and make sure MAC filtering is turned off for your TV. Also, check how your router broadcasts Wi-Fi. TCL TVs can have trouble if your router uses the same network name for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. If possible, create separate names for each band and connect your TV to just one, either the 2.4 GHz or the 5 GHz, whichever works better. If your TV sees the 5 GHz network but can't connect to it, go into your router settings and change the 5 GHz channel from Auto to a specific one like 48 or higher. Also change the channel width to 20 MHz. Some TVs won't connect properly if the bandwidth is too wide. If nothing works, you can reset your router to factory settings. Find the small reset button on the back of the router, press it using a pin or paperclip, and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Then set it up again and try connecting your TV. If the TV couldn't connect to your phone hotspot, unplug the TV from the wall again. This time, also hold the physical power button on the TV itself for at least 15 seconds. After that, wait another 30 minutes before plugging it back in. This helps clear out any leftover charge inside the TV that could be causing problems. After plugging it back in, turn it on and test the Wi-Fi again. Next, check the IP and DNS settings on your TV. Go to your network settings and make sure both the IP and DNS settings are set to automatic. If the DNS is manual, try switching it to 8.8.8.8, which can help avoid issues with network name resolution. Now check the date and time settings on your TV. Go to the system settings and see if the date and time are correct. If they're wrong, change them manually or use the option to get date and time from the internet. Wrong time settings can stop your TV from getting a valid network connection. After that, make sure your TV's software is up to date. Go to Settings, then Support, and choose Software Update. You'll see an option to check for updates or turn on Auto Update. If your TV is an older model, it might need updates through a USB drive, which you can get from the TCL website. If none of that works, the last step is to do a full factory reset of your TV. Go to Settings, then System or Support, and select Factory Reset. This will erase all your settings and take the TV back to how it was when you first bought it. Some TVs might ask for a PIN, and after the reset, you might need to pair your remote again. That's it for this video on how to fix a TCL TV that won't connect to Wi-Fi. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you get your TV back online. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech fixes. Got any questions? Or did a specific method work for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.